Here's how to reset your location in your YouTube TV settings. YouTube TV uses your location to provide the correct local and national channels as well as access to games from leagues like NFL, NBA, and MLB. If your local channels are incorrect or if you're having trouble watching YouTube TV, you may need to update your location. For that, open up your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Sign into your account. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then from here, select the option of location. Here, check that both your home area and current playback area are correct. Your home area is the permanent location based on your zip code, while your current playback area reflects where you're currently using YouTube TV. If your current playback area is incorrect, you want to click on the current playback area, then select update. Your browser may ask permission to access your location. Make sure you click allow and then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your location. If you're using this on your mobile device, then you want to open up any web browser and go to tv.youtube.com/verify. Then allow location access when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions. If you need to update your home area, then go to settings, then select area, or you can visit tv.youtube.com/settings/area. Here, click update next to home area and enter the zip code for your new residence. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.